Welcome. If you've been using Telegram Web on your PC and noticed that animated stickers don't loop like they do on mobile, there's good news. A recent update finally fixes that. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable looped animated stickers so your chats feel more lively and fun. First, go ahead and open Telegram Web on your computer. You can do this in any browser, whether it's Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once you're logged into your account, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. That's the main menu. Click on those three lines to open the sidebar. From there, scroll down a bit until you find Settings and click on it. This will take you to all the customization options for your Telegram Web experience. Now, inside Settings, look for the section called Animations and Performance. This is where Telegram lets you control how animations behave, which is especially useful if you want smoother visuals or better performance. Once you're in Animations and Performance, find the option labeled Stickers and Emoji. Under this section, you'll see a toggle for Loop Animated Stickers. All you need to do is switch that option on, and that's